This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Jen Freeman and Leah Cruz. The perfect blend of modern design plus Pacific Northwest charm. Welcome to premier living on the South Side. Soaring ceilings set the tone in this sun-drenched beauty with a fantastic flexible floor plan. All primary living is on the main level. The open concept kitchen / dining areas are anchored by a massive granite island, ideal for entertaining. Primary suite features luxurious ensuite bath, walk-in closet plus private deck. 3 additional bedrooms, 1 ensuite, huge family room plus built-in office / desk area and light and bright walkout lower level. Oversized attached garage on 13,504 square feet corner lot. Stunning sunsets plus bay views from the decks. Bonus: 2020 installation of solar panels equates to years of utility cost savings for you. For more information,